तो ऐसा ऐसा वो जोड़ाता है। हाँ जोड़ाता है। This is a bot called finger arm. Okay, it's exactly like an arm which can control by fingers. We can control the motion of this arm. Okay, here what we are doing is by moving the finger down, the arm means the finger moves. It captures the thing, and by releasing this finger, it stays at its position. It don't move from its position. And by moving the other finger down, it releases. The arm comes to its original position. So these two fingers are controlling the motion of the arm for grasping the thing and releasing. Okay. The third finger which we are using is for the motion of palm. The palm can move like this. Okay. So by moving this finger, the palm goes down. And by again returning back to the palm, we move this finger down and release the finger. So total 3 fingers combinations are used here. So to bring the palm again to its normal position. Then the fourth finger, this is for these 3 fingers are for the hand, and the fourth finger is for the pot. We can move pot forward, backward, left, right, everything. So this is for the backward. Then so like this we can move the pot. So by the combination of all 4 fingers, we can control the whole body. Okay.
This can't move.
Yeah.
This can't move like this. You are moving like this.
No, actually the system is too heavy here, so that we are not able to move this arm like this. If we make the system lighter here, next time we will replace this system from here to here, so that we can make the motion of the hand also, so it becomes more real.
And this moves only forward or backward direction, no right left.
Yeah, it's there.
Right left is also.
Right left is also there. But we are not having enough space, so we can move. We have all the options. What we are doing here is by changing the value, we are using a potentiometer. By changing the value of potentiometer, we are giving the input to the comparator. Is LM34. And here again potentiometer is used where the reference voltage is set for this comparator. Then this input and the reference both are compared and given to the NOT gate. Okay. The NOT gate is amplifying the signal voltage, giving up to 5 volts, 4.5 to 5, because it's becoming 1 almost for the circuit. So this output is going to the microcontroller, which works on almost 4.5 to 5 volts. Here the program is fed, and from that this input and the fed program, the values are compared, and action is taken for the motor drive. The output is going to the motor drive, and these motor drivers are controlling the motors of this car.
Because this is one motor driver, this is one motor driver.
Yeah, 2 motor drivers. Here we are using 4.
How many motors?
Other 4 motors. I'll show you.
When I'm moving the fingers, what is happening?
We are changing the potential here. Potentiometer is used, the potential is changed and going to the bed.
Can it crunch an object?
What is the measure? What is the measure?
Can it?
Sure.
It's okay.
Actually, we are not getting enough power. So otherwise, these fingers can go. These fingers can hold more. Use is like a handicapped person. Fingers are only working, with hand is not working, not able to lift some heavy load. So this bot can be used for lifting the load. Bot can move any place, can go there and lift the object for you. The other use it can be used in toxic environments like where we can't use our hand, so that chemicals our hand will burn. So at that position, we can use the arm. We can go, we can touch the object, we can bring the object. So these are the uses. And the third use is, what we have heard last 2 years back when child fell in Agra, one small tube well kind of thing, this hand can be used. Like this means the criteria which we are using, we were planning to have some strain gauge also. Strain gauge means it will have some resistance. If the output is it will tell how rigid the object you are holding. When it is a ball, here is a strain, it will hold something. Pressure is small measuring point on that. It will give output as pressure, it will give to the microcontroller. One input you are giving from your hand, you are telling it to hold. One input is this hand, another input you are getting from here. It will compare both the inputs. You have initially fixed the criteria. If I am holding a rigid object, I have told it to hold it hard, and the object is soft. The output, what you are going to give it, you will say that the softness of it will become soft. It can be used in that application.